I poured it in here, and I added chemicals to fix it so that no more oxygen would get in it. And then I put it in this vial, and I had to add some sodium thiosulfate, and now I have to finish titrating and adding the rest of the chemicals. And I'm going to add some starch, and I'm going to find out how much dissolved oxygen is in it. Jeff, that's our last clean sample.
Oh God, mustard. Yeah. Yes, Steve. Wait, it's turning darker. It's closest to the one on the other side. Then what are we going to do with
Oh, Jody. But you also do turbidity, guys.
You have to do it over, I know. I didn't need to.
Someone can do turbidity test.
No, just 2 drops.
I did that before.
Turn it on.
Are you ready here? Call me when you're ready.
Okay, no problem.
Greg, you ready to do something?
Yes. I just gotta wipe this off.
But now it's just a mixture.
What we're doing here is comparing the deep water sample with a shore sample. Find a difference in the organisms that live on the shore and in the deep water. And there's already a temperature difference, so you know there's going to be a difference in what kind of organisms live where in the pond.
Blank. Transparency compared to deep water. I'm going to compare to this one. Stop letting your blank. Give me time to do it. You want to look at it?
Organisms in the middle of the lake appear to be few. It's very sparsely populated because of the variation in temperature. So the shore sample, which the temperature is a little bit warmer, and there's a lot more vegetation on it, so there should be more living on the shore.
Ah, this group here, they will give you lo muevo en large. Okay, now we go.
Ecology is the study of living organisms in relationship to their environment. Immunology, which we are studying, is actually freshwater ecology. We're studying the living organisms in and around the lake in relationship to the physical factors in the environment. Immunology is actually divided into 3 sections. We have our biological, physical, and chemical section. Right now we're working on a biological section where we are working with identifying microscopic organisms. And once we get it on our slide, have to focus in on the slide, and we try to find microscopic organisms, which are called zooplankton, microscopic animals, and phytoplankton, microscopic plants. Once we have found something, we are responsible for identifying the type of organisms we see. We use various books for doing this, and we are required to know the common name and the scientific name. And once this is done, we will adapt this to different factors in the pond, such as, is there a specific species of organisms we are finding, say, more at lower depths, more towards the shore, compared to
I already
Part of the problem having your white gowns are causing a reflection. The shadow. Well, you got white underneath anyway, so no.
I can put my sweatshirt on. It's great.
Okay, can you?
This is lake water. Is that tap water?
This is the tap water.
The tap water.
You don't talk.
Is that the tap water? That's
I'm
my
gonna
water.
focus in
That's
on
my
the
water.
meter itself.
I know.
There you go.
Okay, so it's 99% transparent. Okay. Thanks. Let me dump my water. Okay, this is tap water again. Here, Rich. Wait. Wait, Jeff, I have to write it down. 98%.
That's the way to breathe. You can't see it was 600 degrees. 600 weighted on 600 degrees. Is it 100% gone?
No, what did you take to the pencil?
Alright, that's ours. We got 95%.
There's one more. Fire counters with 300 water. Okay, could you move, guys? Move your head. Now you count like you're doing.
What's this, John?